we're going to light a bottle rocket in a can. You'd be surprised the damage it does. Will you quit doing that? Turn around and there you are, blowing the other one up. Will you? You're just kidding. Right. You're kidding. I'm a damn murder chipmunk.
That was a dramatic pause.
I love that dramatic pause after it goes on. Look what it did to the can. That is promising right there. That is really hot too. But that's what it does to a can. It's fun. We got a couple others. Like this one. As you can see, it flipped the top around and pushed it back in. And pressure got so great it tore holes in the can. This one I'm proud of. Look at that. Look at that. I am proud of that. That's a trophy right there. Lighting some more fireworks.
Isn't that awesome?
That's fucking loud. You got my ears ringing, asshole.
Oh my god.
What?
That was almost as good as me hitting you in the face with a bag of chips.
What? I can't hear you. Now let's make this a little more interesting.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm gonna cram this whole strip in there. Will you quit lighting them so damn close to me? They're loud.
I'm just gonna get mine out of the way. Oh my god.
Damn! That hurts.
Oh my god.
How can you still have more?
This is my last one. And I'm going deaf too.
Man. That ain't right. Man, this is taking forever.
Hey John, these
What?
are probably some smart words. Why don't you move out of the way?
Yeah, move out of the way. Thanks for warning me this time. That's much better. It's not next to my head. Angling it towards the road, I see.
I'm being a bad boy. Hey, look, responsible people.
Hi, responsible people. I feel like that's a better angle. Much more interesting, don't you say? I lit the actual firework on fire. I'll kind of leave that there. I'll leave that at the bottom of the pipe. I did not think that would work.
Maybe you should light 1 out of 3 down there. That would be awesome.
Sure. Toss 3 in the end of the pipe. We've got more bottle rockets. Why don't you go open up a new pack?
Alright.
I'll get us an even better viewing angle here.
Let's just have a small experiment here. I'm going to stick 2 down here.
Why not
lit
3?
Yet. Not lit yet. We're going to see how this works. And you hold these.
Okay. Maybe I'll light some at you while you're doing it.
Sure. You can do that.
Oh, there we go. Nice.
You know what? That worked pretty
That
nice.
that worked much better than I expected. There we go. A little better. Didn't even go off. Yeah, just light 1 and toss it down the pipe. We'll get those other 2 to go off like we did earlier. Whee! That's the new gadget. It fell so delayed that it was like right there.
Good God.
It's pretty bad.
Now we're going to shoot off some of them. What?
Not bad.
Yes!
Not bad at all. The fuse has been lit, and I'm getting the hell out of here.
Oh God! I swear to God, dude, I thought I saw it right there.
Not bad.
Alright, that was awesome.
Yeah. Nice set of smoking there. Sounds good to me. Should we really be this close to it?
Who knows?
Pretty impressive.
Right.
Yeah.
Really?
And then there's the awkward silence.